Let's go to stock picks. We've got some minutes left. Roy, Altron.
Yes, so Altron's a fantastic business from the perspective that David said most of it. I'll just add that they've transformed into a platform business, and on that platform, they're getting a lot more annuity revenue. So they're more guaranteed in terms of the revenue they make rather than selling widgets and selling drop-in boxes. And it's a management team that's proven their credibility. They've given themselves a nice target of getting over R1 billion in bottom line earnings. And you can see from their guidance and their execution that they're heading nicely there. So wider margins, more reliable turnover at a very relatively low multiple compared to their peers. I think that's one that you back over the medium term.
Yeah, Altron. And certainly, as you said, they've become tech. They used to be equipment and machinery. David, you're going with Novo Nordisk.
They came out with their numbers this morning. Last week we had Eli Lilly's numbers out in the US, where there was a bit of a splutter in terms of the sale of their GLP, these blocking drugs, which are used in obesity and of course in diabetes. But Novo Nordisk came out with superb numbers now, extending their sales of those products. These are super drugs. One mustn't discount it. There's a lot of talk about competition coming in, but the two companies are, Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, huge businesses as well. And the sales that came through today are very encouraging. I see the shares are up 9%, which is a big relief for me because every other stock that I've chosen in Europe has gone the other way. So,
but David,
it's more my relief.
Is it Eli versus Novo, or is it frankly a bit of both in a portfolio?
They both. They complement each other in that. They've been going at each other's throats in a friendly way for about 100 years on diabetes. But I think what happens, one comes out with a drug which encourages the other to kind of match that kind of competition and that. But I think both very good. I would put both in. I would put both companies in.
That's it for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, David Shapiro, Sasfin Securities, going with Novo Nordisk. Mutooni from Sanlam Investments, going with Altron. Up next, the close. Stay tuned.